Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your video subtitles using Descript for LinkedIn posts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Descript application and import the video you want to add subtitles to. Once your video is uploaded, click on the transcribe button in the top toolbar. Select your desired language for transcription from the drop-down menu. Wait for Descript to process the audio and generate the subtitles for your video. Once the transcription is complete, review the text for any errors or inaccuracies. Edit the subtitles directly within the Descript editor as needed. To export the subtitles, click on the Share button located in the upper right corner. In the sharing options, select Export and choose the format for your subtitles. Make sure to select SRT or VTT format, as these are commonly accepted formats for LinkedIn. After choosing the format, click on the Export button and save the file to your computer. Next, open your LinkedIn profile and navigate to the Post Creation section. Upload your video file to LinkedIn by clicking the video icon in the post editor. Once the video is uploaded, click on the Add Subtitles option. Select the subtitle file you exported from Descript. Review the subtitles in the LinkedIn post preview to ensure they align correctly with the video. Finally, add any additional text or hashtags to your post and publish it. Now your video on LinkedIn has accessible subtitles transferred from Descript. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.